Okay guys, tonight I'm going to show you how to make vent guards for your Can-Am Ryker. I know you've seen them out there for sale. Well, you know you can do it yourself. Come on guys, this is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, now I'm going to show you pretty much what you got to do step by step. First, start by making a template out of paper. You know, this is how I did this. You know, I got the air box here. This is the air box side, and it's going to be the same, just reversed, you know, right? Because they're symmetrical. Okay. You make a template, all right, that fits in there. Okay. Pop it out of there. You get your material. Lay your template on the material. This is a pretty lightweight aluminum. You know, I use aluminum because it doesn't rust and it's lightweight, and you don't need anything really heavy on your bike, and you don't need anything that's rusty on your bike. There's plenty of stuff that's rusty on your Can-Am that you don't need to go buy something else that could end up rusting later. So, you know, lay your template on your material. I use all kinds of snips to cut this stuff. The aluminum, it cuts pretty easy. I mean, if you want to make them out of mild steel, you can cut them with a grinder, and it's very easy to do as well. Just make some sparks. But with aluminum is a soft material, so it's more pliable. It's easier to cut and manipulate. So, you know, as long as you cut all of this black off of your, you know, don't leave any on the actual vent here, you should be good. I like this type of zippers the best, so I had to go find those. So you get your material here. As you can see, these snips make light work of aluminum. They have no problem at all cutting this stuff. I just went ahead and cut that out because I wanted it to be a little easier for me to get in here to where I was cutting. Okay. A little bit big there, so let's clean it up a little bit. Okay, it's coming into shape, guys. It's coming into shape. Don't get carried away. Don't clip too much off, because then it won't look right. But don't leave it too big, because then you can scratch your surfaces down in here. You don't want to do that. But how does that look? Fabulous, right? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And of course, you're just going to attach these with zip ties. Oh, I've got some here somewhere. Third drawer. Yeah. You know, I would say little zip ties like this, you know. And you'll probably want to feed them through first before you even set the grill down in there. Get your get everything lined up with the zip tie. Get it already creased, kind of bent. And then when you go to put it on there, you go to drop it down in here, you're already loose there. So you're gonna put the zip tie in, pull it back up. You're gonna get a hold of it with my fat fingers. There we go. All right, once you get this thing up, you're holding it through like that. You just drop that grill guard right down through there like so, and grab both ends of it and let it settle. Let it settle down into the location. And I think I put the grill in upside down, so that is not gonna work. Yes, I did. I did put the grill in upside down. Okay, try that again. You got the zip tie. You got the zip tie like this. You drop the grill like this over it. Let the zip tie come through. Got one zip tie on it, and you can clip that flapper off and then spin that knuckle around the back side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that just to show what that'd look like if it was done properly. Spin that around the back side here. But not bad. Grill guards. Pretty quick and easy. You built that one side in 7 minutes. There you go. So, can you build your own grill guards? I say you can build your own grill guards. Save yourself some money. Build your own grill guards. If you don't want to build your own grill guards, I sell them at RLSExhaust.com. And like I told you before about Nathan over at NC Customs, that's with a K. Right here, check it out. Check him out, check his products out. He's got a lot of cool stuff, a lot more than just grill guards. You know, I make these things, they make me money. As you can see, there's some grills hanging right there that have to be painted. But I'm so busy right now, I'm not even playing. I got so much exhaust work, as you can see there on the floor, lots of exhaust work. I got so much exhaust work that I don't got time to make grills. I mean, I will make them because, hey, I'm taking care of business over here. But you can make them, as I showed you in a previous video. You know, you just make a template. Same thing for your grill. You know, if you want to make your front one, you make a cardboard template. You set it in the front inside there. You know, after you take it off, and then you go from there and cutting out your material. Very simple. So check out Nathan's site. Check out my site. You know, he gave me a couple ideas and it's been very cool. So, you know, I said, hey, you know, I'm gonna throw your name out there and give you a little push. You know, I don't care if you build grills. You know, he builds some cool stuff, way cooler than what I'm building right now. If you're looking for something custom, hey, you go to NC Customs, right? And, you know, if you want a very generic aluminum grill guard that may be red, blue, green, yellow, you know, and all kinds of random colors. I've got them on the side, white, what have you, but or raw aluminum. I got you on that. If you want looking for inexpensive, I got you on that. You know, if you're looking for something custom, he's your guy. He's got you over there. I've seen some stuff that he just did, King and Queen, look really cool. I was like, man, that's what I'm talking about. You know, I need a CNC machine. He's putting out some really cool stuff. I'm digging it. So a shout out to him. You know, thanks Nathan for the little bit of information you gave me here and there. And if y'all guys need something that I don't sell, please go check him out. You know, he's one of those kind of businessmen that'll help you out. And you know what that tells me? He's a good businessman. You know, the guy that is like doesn't want to try to help you out at all, and is so selfish that he only cares about his own business. You know, I don't care nothing about giving that guy business. You know what I'm saying? I don't care anything about helping that guy out. A guy that'll help another guy out, that guy I'll bend over backwards for every day of the week. I ain't even playing, you know. So, hey, if you're wanting to build something for yourself like grills for your air intake, do it. Just do it. Okay, just showing the finished product here, what these grills look like when I'm done with them. or these vent. I got the vent covers as well, as you can see there. But what we got here is we got a purple or a grape, black, hot pink, red, white, blue, lime green, yellow, orange, and you know, that's the lineup. That's what we got. RLSexhaust.com if you're looking for a radiator grill guard. All right, thanks guys.